So Christmas season is here. Hello, I got on the red and the top. Oh yeah, it's so cute. Today we're making butter cookies because what? Everything takes butter, baby. The red writing is unsalted butter. The blue writing is salted. We are using blue or red. You decide how you want your butter cookies to be, because everything takes butter. The blue, butter, red, you got to do whatever you want to do. Butter cookies. We've got 1 cup of butter, which is 2 sticks, and a half a cup of the confectioner's sugar, and you need 2 cups of flour in this big bitch. Okay, now you know when this big bitch is out, that means we finna get in. Now while that big bitch is working, we adding a little bit of this. It's 2 cups of flour. Now we really finna get in. So we gonna cream it together, make it blend all around. She working, she twerking, she doing her thing. And when the cookies come out, ooh, honey, they gonna be money, money, honey, with the butter. Look, that's how she looks. Butter cookies. I sprinkled some sugar on the top, and then I made a little cross pattern with the fork. Little sugar. It's Christmas. We're in the oven, 350, for about 7 to 10 minutes. Look at what we got here. Let's taste one butter cookie. This big bitch came through. I'ma be a big bitch. When I get through with all these, oh, they so good. Bye, y'all. I'm gonna eat this whole plate.